November 2025 marks the day this book on flying the space shuttle went into space. It went above the Kármán line not as a publicity stunt, but as a test for the digital integrity of the ebook for space travel. If you go to Amazon, you can find the book that went into space, Flying the Space Shuttle, a detailed look at the space shuttle's flight instruments. And this is the book that I've written about flying the space shuttle and its instruments, and how not going into a basic overview and then into detail on how to fly the space shuttle. Now, if you are Kindle Unlimited, you can get that for free. You may even be, if you have an audio or a membership, you can get a free audio book. But usually, well, the book is for $14.99. But coming up for Black Friday, if you are a Patreon subscriber, that's even a free Patreon subscriber, you will be able to get this book for a third off. And if you are a paying subscriber, and our memberships start on Patreon for less than $4 a month, you will be able to get a preview of this book, so of the first chapter, and we will show you how to do that. But if you stay to the end, I will show you how that you will be able to get this book a third off for Black Friday. And stay tuned, because we are going to have this same book with the text that has gone into space in it. That will be coming up very shortly. You'll be able to give that to have it for a Christmas gift for yourself, or for that person who loves the space shuttle. So if you are a free Patreon subscriber and you want to find out how to get this book for a third off, if you are a paying member for our Patreon page and you go to the Spacecraft Interactive Virtual Museum, click on Shop, you will be able to see what we have for sale here. And here we have Flying the Space Shuttle for $9.99, 30% or a third off. And we also have our other books here, the Familiarization Manual, $14.99. But this one, Flying the Space Shuttle, you get for a third off, and that's for just being a free member to the Spacecraft Interactive Virtual Museum. Now, when you click on it, it will take you to the page and allow you to buy it now. It gives you a little description, what was also in the Amazon page, and we also give you some pictures, some preview pictures of what it is. So you'll be able to download this, and this will be a third off now for our Black Friday, kind of an early Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale that we have going on. And again, check back here shortly, because after we get the text back, we're going to put that text that went into outer space into the book on flying the space shuttle. But if you are a paying subscriber, and that's for $4 a month, we still have, before the end of the year, before I get rid of the promotion for the 56th anniversary of the Apollo mission, you can join up and you can get a free preview of this book. Also, you can get more of a discounted price if you sign up as a paying member. Well, when the book comes out, the new text, it will be you will be able to get that book with the text in it. And what I'm going to ask is, if you would like a copy of the book, in the comments down below, to be put on a list to buy this book when it comes out at a discounted price. I would like to help be a part of the experience of going into outer space. And if you put that comment in below, you will actually be a part of going into space, and you will get a part of outer space in a book. So if you are a paying subscriber, and again, $4 a month. That's a third less, or I'm sorry, is 20% less than the normal subscription until the end of this year, where that will go away. You will be able to get a free preview, and if you are a paying member for my Patreon page, you get to see the certificate, Stories of Space, Certificate of Flight, which I submitted back in October 27, 2025 for the Mission 3, a suborbital flight, which means it went up into space, did not orbit, but it went into space, was exposed to all of the elements up there, the radiation, the cosmic rays, everything. Out of Nova Scotia. It was also the first launch of Canada, of this spaceport in Canada, into space. So you can see all of the players here, but also you have this QR code, and when you scan that code, you will get the actual text that was sent into space, which is a part of the book, and you can compare the two. So this is your preview of what went into space, what of the space book, or of my book was sent into space, the digital ebook. So you are able to actually get a preview of what was sent into space. You get a piece of what went into space to be tested as a manual to be used by not only astronauts but also space tourists. So that is what I have for this week. Big celebration for getting something into space. My text, just the text, the digital purity of how my text will survive or will not survive outer space. And then, if you join up here, we're going to have more with Stories of Space. You might be able to go into space yourself. So we'll have more on this later. But once again, for all your support, this is your present, and for staying with me as a subscriber. And hopefully, if you can, let other people know about us. Tell if they're interested in space, let them know about us, and they can help us get even further, do more things like this, which going into space, that is huge, is sort of our Ellen Shepard moment right now. So for all your help, for all your support, for everything you have done for me, I thank you.